Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to tell you a little bit about my experience with this GiveBest heater, let you know why I got it and if it serves my purpose or not. In my house, I get a lot of really cold spots if I have an older house with radiator heat, and sometimes it doesn't radiate evenly. So specifically, I actually wanted to put it in my bathroom because my bathrooms get really cold sometimes. It's been a really good heater. It does a really good job at heating up my space when I need it, and I really do love it. I would buy it again. First of all, I want to point out it does come with a really nice remote. It has a pretty decent range. Power button to turn it on, and the controls are really easy. Right? It has a plus or minus to turn the heat up or down. You can turn the display on or off by pushing this button here, and then it also has a sound control here. So right now I have the sound turned off. If you want the sound on, hit the button again and you will hear the noise. So it has the timer function. In order you hit the timer and then you push the plus or minus. It goes all the way up to 12, and then it will start over. And then it has a menu button up here, so this shows you can kind of cycle through some of the different options on it. So it has the power settings and fan settings and stuff. So you can play with those and adjust them for whatever fits for you, how much power you want it to have, or how strong you want the fan. I liked the fact that it had the option to mount it. Holes on the back. So for now, I just kind of set it on my counter or whatever when I need it. I mean, it is super lightweight and super portable, but eventually I will go ahead and mount it on the wall.